The Components of Fitness, narrated by Dr. Willow P. Smith, PhD, DOGYN.
Number 1 is cardio. Make sure to play every day, running or walking, for at least 20 minutes. Next is strength. Body weight exercises or weightlifting is good. Next is flexibility. Stretching or yoga classes are good. Balance is very important. Poses on a medicine ball are good, or standing on one foot. Make sure to get lots of sunshine. And take time to spend with friends. Get plenty of rest. And adopt a fitness buddy from your local shelter.